Good morning, guys. I look like actual garbage. I literally just woke up. It's 11:02 in the morning, so it's like afternoon, but I don't have classes on Wednesday, so it's kind of just like a chill day for me, and I've decided that I wanted to film a college day in my life, so you guys can see all the food I make, you guys can see me doing my homework, just life as a college student at the University of Arizona. I start my morning every single morning by opening my window. I love sunlight. When it's like dark in my room, I literally can't do anything. So I open my window, and now I'm about to go on my phone, watch TikToks for a little bit, and then jump in the shower. But I just wanted to start off the video. So we're back, we're better. Here's a day in my life. Hello guys, it is a few hours later. It is like 1 o'clock and JC's back from class. He's leaving again in like 2 minutes. But I took a shower, I made my bed. JC just helped me make my bed.
I did most of it.
Yeah. Made my bed. And now I'm going to make myself breakfast because I have a Maybelline event at 4:30. So I thought it'd be like fun, you know, to take you guys with me today. Ignore this pimple that's gonna be there all day. You know, we can't really do anything about it, and I wanted to film a video, so we're gonna take the rare opportunity. So yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast. I'll show you guys like me cooking and all of that. Okay guys, so I'm in my kitchen. It's 1:20 and I need to make breakfast. Eating schedule is a little different because I wake up at like 10:30, so I eat breakfast at 1. But I'm also the person, I can't eat breakfast right when I wake up in the morning, so we deal with this. Also, I'm just starting to cook, so please don't clown me in the comments if I don't cook things the right way. We make do with what we got, and it still tastes good.
Her food's really good. Really freaking good.
That's my boyfriend. So yeah, now I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. I don't know if I want it on like a tortilla, like a little wrap. I'm kind of feeling that today. With like cilantro, onion, spinach, avocado. So I'll just show you guys me cooking it. Okay, I just cut up cilantro and onion. The cilantro is not finely chopped at all, but we don't have time for that. We have things to do. We don't have time to cut friggin' vegetables all day. So now I'm going to get my eggs that have literally cilantro in the bin. So cute. I'm only need 2 eggs because I'm not too hungry. I think I just got egg yolk on my foot. I got a package. Now I'm just gonna add the spinach first, just to have it winder down a little. Good enough. And I'm gonna add just the onions in here first. I'm gonna wait for the cilantro till the eggs are done. Add cheese, okay. Then I'm gonna add the cilantro that I cut out. Now I'm taking these little tortillas and I'm just gonna put it on the stove, and if I burn myself, accidents happen. Okay, so I just added some avocado onto this. It's from yesterday that I like put in the fridge with lemon juice, so it's a little brown, but I personally don't really care. And now I'm gonna add on the eggs. I haven't rolled it up yet, but it'll just be like a little taco. I'm gonna, I think, add more cheese. I can never have enough cheese. Yeah. Just finished making breakfast. It was really good, but I got full really quick. So after eating that one freaking taco thing, I'm like, I am done. So basically, I have a Maybelline event at 4:30. It is currently 1:54, so I need to do my makeup so that I have time to organize all the materials we need for the event. I have it all in a drawer under my bed and a box over there. So I have to go through, count the amounts, make sure I have the right amounts of everything, it's kind of a lot of work, so I'm gonna do that. But I decided to do a little twist and to film 2 videos in one. I'm going to do the college day of my life like today, and then I'm gonna do a video of me filming my makeup routine. So if you want to watch that video, I don't know what's gonna be up first. Maybe this one, maybe the makeup tutorial, I'm not sure. But the link to the makeup tutorial will be in my description below. Hello guys, so I am back, makeup is done. I just finished filming a second video for my channel, doing my everyday makeup routine. And so I have roughly an hour until I need to leave to go to my Maybelline event. So now that means I need to start getting together all the product. So kept a box because Maybelline sends me like big boxes of makeup every few weeks. So I kept one in my bathroom. I've kept this box in my bathroom for like 2 weeks now so that I could carry all the makeup to this event. And so I don't think I can show you guys the emails just for like privacy reasons, because it's like from a company. I'm in the dark because it's from a company, but basically they give us emails that tell like how much of each product we need at the event, such and such like that. So now I have to go through and count everything. Takes a long time, so I need to start. I will show you. It's like 25 minutes later, and I have organized the amount of products that I need for the event. You get them shipped in like packages, so you have to take them out of the packaging and all that. So we have the shades all lined up. So these are these ones, these ones, these ones, these ones, and these are all nail polishes that are like bonus for the events. And then I just throw in some hair ties and stickers, some more stickers for the event, and always coupons because, you know, we need our Maybellines to save some money. We need to figure out what to wear. It's like kind of chilly, and our Maybelline shirts are short sleeves, so I'm probably just gonna have to wear a long sleeve today. Hello everyone, so I am back. It is 7 o'clock at night. The event took way longer than I could even ever anticipate. I have so much homework and I need to cook dinner, so I'm gonna make a stir fry, which is not practical time-wise, but I am fucking hungry. Onions, some spinach, you know, it's all good and fresh. That's like what I use in my breakfast. I have this like steak thing. I'm only gonna use like half of it. I'm gonna use red pepper, green pepper. I have a lot to cut, holy shit. Broccoli, adding mushrooms, carrots, and snap peas. Okay, so it's a weird angle because my boyfriend helped me set this up. But so I cut up like little things of steak and I put it in the pan. And now I'm cutting up broccoli and the rest of the shit and put in like videos of me cutting this stuff, just because the half of this vlog or day in my life is just me cooking, which is literally what I do half of the day. So that's that. I have to hold this camera so weird, but I put steak in here with, not oregano, garlic salt, and then this steak seasoning. I don't know, it just looked good. I'm chopping mushrooms. And the snap peas, I'm just gonna leave full because I like them. So I don't really care too much. Here's the steak. It's still like cooking, obviously, but I'm just gonna add in the broccoli because that needs to cook too. Okay, so this is how it looks now. I have all the veggies cooking with the meat and the sauce, just on low, just so all the veggies get like not as crispy, more like tender. And then I have the rice off the stove over here, waiting for all the water to absorb. This is the sauce that I use. It is so good. That's the sauce I use. I have their teriyaki one that I haven't tried yet, but I'm gonna use that when I make my stir fry in a few days. Okay, so this is the final product I cooked for my boyfriend and I. So I just put it over rice. We're gonna see, we might add soy sauce or like extra sauce, but that's it for now. And like I still have a bunch left, and I do it so like if we want more servings. And
ooh.
Okay, I'm on my phone, so it's really shitty quality, but I realized I had an accounting assignment, and it's 10 o'clock, and the printer in my building has no ink. So now I'm going to Starbucks, get Starbucks, and somewhere on campus to find a printer with JC. I'm like out of breath, so that's that. This is very unfortunate. It would only happen to me. A few hours later, it is 12 o'clock, 12:04 at night. I literally got back from the library. I had to go all the way there to print, and I did that assignment. I did another assignment. I have like the busiest week in the world this week and next week because it's all my finals. So I've been doing that, but I'm just gonna quickly do like a little skincare routine with you guys to close the video. Me taking off my makeup, all that. So we're gonna go into my bathroom and I'll be there in a second. Hello, so we're in my bathroom, and the first thing I want to do is go into the makeup remover wipes, and these are the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, and these are like good for sensitive skin. I have really sensitive skin when it comes to like skincare products, so I use this. It used to be a different packaging. They were like a more of a my camera died, so now we're on my phone. But as I was saying, they used to be more of like a teal colored bag, but now they're not. So I just go in with this. I also always put my hair back, so let me just, if this is sure how this looks right now is ridiculous. I always put my hair back because we don't want it in our faces, you know? Now we're gonna go in with a cleanser, and the one that I love using is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Base Cleanser. First Aid Beauty, please sponsor me. I just spent so much money on your products on Black Friday, like probably $300 combined. So please sponsor me. Send this to First Aid Beauty. I love you guys. So I heard that it helps if you apply your cleanser without water first. I don't know how legit that is, but that's what we're gonna do today. So just get it on your hands. I don't know, I heard this works. I don't know if it does. I mean, obviously it works, but I don't know if there's like any type of fucking benefit. And I take a little water in my hand. Oh no, we're soapy. I also am experimenting with skincare recently. I like just started getting into it, which is kind of bad. I mean, I was really good in high school, then college I just got actually lazy. So I stopped doing a full skincare routine, and now I've just got back into it. Like, I want toners, I want serums, I want it all. See, this is what happens if you just use a makeup wipe. This is all that doesn't come off, which I'm not gonna lie, I do that sometimes. So we're gonna put this back in the shower. I keep my cleanser in the shower because then I use it every time I shower. It just kind of forces me to always cleanse my face. So now I'm gonna just take my micellar water on a little cotton pad. This to get off our mascara and all of that. It's just micellar water. See, like, look, more is even coming off. Like, your skin traps this shit. I want to like get more into skincare. Like, I want more knowledge on it. I want to learn more. I want to try more. So please leave your skincare recommendations down below. Any good serums? I want a hydrating one because living in Arizona, my skin gets dry. This is the Fresh Rose Floral Toner, and I just have a little trial size from Sephora. I just spray this and I rub it on my face. I really don't know what toner is for. I really don't know the proper way to use it. Again, I don't know if this is the order. So this is not the proper order. Someone tell me below. But then I spray the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is like the pink one. I have every fucking color in like travel size. I like actually got my face in that. I have it in travel size. I have it in regular. I have it in pretty much everything. So then I put on a serum, and I do not know if these work. I literally cannot tell you. I bought them at TJ Maxx. But this is a Valgene Labs Firm with a vitamin E and something acid. Clearly Frolic, some type of acid. So I just take a little and I just put it here. This is probably way too much. Like, again, I don't know what I'm doing, so please, like, just don't come for me. Like, I really do not know. This is just what I do, and I don't ever break out. So this pimple's really rare. Like, if you know me, it's like really rare that I ever break out. Moisturizer, I've been using this moisturizer since my senior year of high school, so like almost 3 years. And this is a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So good. It's like my third bottle of it. It is literally amazing. I should take like a little pump. I mean, I'm gonna lie, I normally take a lot more than that, but I know you're not supposed to do a lot of moisturizer. Just living in Arizona, my skin is so dry. So again, if you have any moisturized tips, please let me know. And then the last thing I use is this is the Sephora brightening eye cream. I went in for an eye cream and the Sephora employee actually showed me this and it was like $15 and the rest were like $40 and I was like, sounds good. So, and it was the last one left on the shelf, so I was assuming it couldn't be too bad. And this is gonna be too much. This always happens to me. And then I know you're not supposed to rub under your eyes. So with my long ass nail, I attempt to just dab it in there. Before I go to bed, I'll put on the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I'm not going to sleep yet because I stay up till 2 a.m. always. This is my final skincare routine and this is the end of a college day in my life. You guys saw a little bit of everything. This isn't a normal day because I don't have class, but I only have class 2 days a week this semester and then it goes to 5 next semester. So that'll change. And I had more like, instead of short mini clips, it was like the clips I have were like eventful. It was fun. So if you guys did like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want another college day of my life. I can do like a college week of my life. I can do like really anything. I want to post more and I say this every time. But randomly, I've been getting like motivated to start doing YouTube again. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna really try to push myself. Hit all my social medias down below. Instagram, I wanna start following people. I followed like 200 people in the past like couple months. I just don't care anymore. I used to be like, I need a good ratio. Now I'm like, I don't want a boring timeline. So if you wanna follow, comment your username down below. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, rest of your night, wherever you're watching this. I love you all so much. And I will see you really soon.